Unit 27, Part A, Activity 1C. Listen and repeat. 1. Bus. 2. Tuk-tuk. 3. Scooter. 4. Plane. 5. Taxi. 6. Train. 7. Boat. 8. Bike. Unit 27, Part B, Activity 2B. Listen, check, and repeat. 1. Take off. 2. Touch down. 3. Get on. 4. Get off. 5. Get in. 6. Pick up. Unit 27, Part B, Activity 3A. Listen to people talking about their holiday habits. Are you the same or different? Write a tick or a cross.
1.
Hi, my name's Kanika. I usually go on holiday with my family. We always stay in the same hotel and we always go to the same places. This year, we have been to Siem Reap 5 times. It's always interesting to see the same place at different times. We always travel by car.
2.
I'm Yan. I like traveling alone, but often my parents drop me off to the bus station or airport. They also pick me up when I get back home. They're always excited to hear about my adventures.
3. Hello, I'm Dan. I don't often go on holiday, but when I do, I like looking around the city. In the city, I walk a lot and take lots of pictures of everything. In the countryside, I usually just get on a bike and enjoy the view. So, I don't spend a lot of money on holiday. 4.
Hi, I'm Pat. I don't really like going on holiday. I always feel nervous when planes take off. The loud noise makes it worse. I also buy a lot of presents for my family and friends, so I have no money at all when I return.